Hello everyone. Hi Pisces. This is the reading for you and this is December weekly reading and general reading may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages and your reading. Pisces, water sign. So this is general may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see. So let's see your reading, Pisces. So you are feeling overburdened due to your work pressure, whatever, due to in relationship issues, whatever you are feeling overburdened in recent past or right now also for some. Okay, for some it is recent past definitely, but you overcome that burden and now you become like the emperor and ace of cups. I think you love someone in the you love someone and your love towards your person is overflowing definitely. I think some long-term commitment is coming in your way. I think your person maybe, I think Nine of Pentacles is your person standing by their power. Yeah, some spying is going between both of you guys. You may be spying on your person on social media right now, but I think one person is ready to offer long-term commitment, but another person is holding back. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, because Ace of Pentacles definitely one person ready to offer and Four of Pentacles, but one person holding back. I think it's your person, what I'm getting, because they're waiting for the right time and yes, your person not talking to you. I think it's your person, not you. They're undergoing some spiritual awakening, some healing process. They isolated themselves from all and not talking to anyone, even with you also. Definitely there is no contact or less contact between both of you guys, and your person is spiritually awakening. Energy could be vice versa, it could be you also. Yeah, and temperance, your person could be Sagittarius. Definitely patience. There is no balance in this connection in past, but it's coming, what I'm seeing here. So I think you both are stubborn. You both have some ego issues, what I'm getting here, because Nine of Pentacles, it's your person, and Emperor, it's you. I think right now you both are working towards your finances and career, and your person also working towards their goals and careers. And now your person, I think it's your person, what I'm getting here. They stand by their power. Or it could be you also, definitely. You also working towards your goals, and you also working towards your dreams. Yeah, definitely, because Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, definitely you also working for creating, making money, whatever, but your person holding back their feelings because they want balance in this connection, because in past there is no balance in this connection. Definitely lot of you guys, there is no contact between both of you. For some, that's why you are feeling overburdened, because there is no contact between both of you. If you are waiting for your person communication, but they are not contacting you, they're holding back. For some, your person also waiting for you for your communication, definitely, because they are patiently waiting. Definitely they don't want to make any move, but waiting, only waiting, what I'm getting here. For some, that's why you are feeling overburdened when you're thinking about your person. So you or your person could be a lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But you both love each other. Definitely there is love between both of you guys. There is strong bond. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. Your person current feelings. Pisces. Two of Wands, Seven of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, they're waiting for the right time to come towards you, what I am told in past. Okay, in starting. Definitely Temperance, I already told you they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely Wheel of Fortune, yeah, they're waiting for their time to come towards you because they're thinking about you a lot. There is no doubt. Two of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, but not taking any action, and they won't give up on you also. If you don't take any action towards them, then they won't give up on you because they love you. Okay, they like you so much. Even could be you both could be friends also. But your person is waiting for you. Yeah, they're not gonna move, sorry. They don't make any move towards you, but they are waiting for you. Yeah, they're waiting for you, and they're waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune is there, but they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Lot of fire energy here, guys. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you're both feeling the same way. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. Yeah, Ten of Cups, stability, happiness, and the Sun. Definitely they are thinking about you positively. In past there may be some misunderstandings between both of you, but right now your person thinking about you very positively, Pisces, and you are hesitating for making first move. How they react, don't hesitate because they are thinking about you very positively. They are waiting for you. Okay, they're waiting for your communication, whatever, because they don't make any, they are not wishing to make any move towards you right now. And Ten of Wands, you both got the same cards. Definitely you both feeling the same way. Without each other you are feeling like unbreathable, like you both want each other but you don't make any move. You both, okay, I think you both have some ego problems, what I'm getting here. Definitely both feeling the same way in relationship, or for some your person may be feeling like overburdened due to the work pressure, whatever, but definitely you both want each other but you both not making any move, what I'm seeing here. But particularly your person waiting for your action this time. You, if you want your person back, Pisces, please make a move towards your person because they want this happiness with you. Definitely they won't give up on you, and they are waiting, that they are also waiting. I think what I'm getting here, some waiting game. Yeah, they want you back because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. See, Six of Pentacles, Tower, and one card is Empress. Two of Swords and Page of Wands. Yeah, communication, some communication is going to be happen in this connection. One person in this connection may be younger than the other person. Definitely there is equal give and take is coming in this connection. In past there is no equal give and take. And Empress, yeah, one person stand by their power, and one person is in this connection is very giving and caring person. And some Tower moment, definitely you both feeling like some Tower moment due to separation or due to no contact between both of you. And Two of Swords, one person have to make decisions, still they're at some crossroads. It could be you or your person. Definitely one person right now at some crossroads. I think in near future what I'm seeing in this connection, some communication will open up. You both will communicate. Yeah, you both want same thing but not making any move, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, so you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces, for the week. King of Pentacles, King of Knight of Wands, Four of Swords, the Moon. Definitely there are some misunderstandings between both of you guys. When you start communication, definitely these misunderstandings will go away, but you have to start communication. And Four of Swords, definitely there is no contact between both of you guys. And Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion. Your person also attracted to you, and stability. They are ready to offer long-term stability to this connection. if you are waiting for. If you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. And your person overall energy for the week, 5 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, see, Hanged. Definitely your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are stuck right now because the Hermit is also there. And 3 of Cups, yeah, they want reconciliation and they want celebration with you. And 3 of Pentacles, definitely this time you person ready to work on this relationship. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles, collaboration. And 5 of Pentacles, yeah, they are suffering in silence. Yeah, they are suffering in silence but not making any move, because this time they are waiting for the right time. This time they are waiting for you to make a move towards them, what I am getting here. Yeah, because the one person who always put effort in this connection is your person. That's why they are holding back this time, because they have to see your actions towards them, what I am getting here. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.